everything's about the yarny goodness. Welcome back to all my returning subscribers, and hello and welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you here. Today is a big announcement. It is what you'd call a crochet along if you want to be technical. I'm so excited. I am starting a big 6-month project. Yes. And I want all of you to jump on board and join with me. First, before I tell you about it, you guys, I got this really cute shirt. I'm wearing it right now. I promised somebody that I'd wear it in one of my videos and show you because I have a sense of humor, you know. And sorry about the sun. My plants need it, as I explained in the last video, and they're not going to get much more of it in the next month or two. So I'm just letting them soak it up. So sorry about the lighting, and I hope you still are able to see me and see everything I'm going to show you. But here's the t-shirt, you guys. It says, "Save the chubby unicorns." I don't know if I can move back further, but yeah, it's got a rhino on it and it says "Save the chubby unicorns." I got it off Etsy, and I bought my sister one too, because you know we're twins. So I'm like, well, if I'm gonna get a really cute shirt like this, I'm gonna buy her one too. I was shopping on Etsy and I showed my sister. She's like, "Ooh, send me the link to that." And I just kind of like gaslighted her a little bit, honestly, because I ordered two. So, and I didn't tell her that I ordered one for her. So I kind of had to like divert and avoid sending her the link so that she didn't order one, because I ordered her one. I'm sorry, Jennifer, I'm sorry. Anyway. So on to the big crochet along idea. I want all of you to join me on this. If you can afford it. I am doing a monthly crochet along, so it's only going to be once a month. But what I'm doing is I'm picking out a pattern of the month, okay? That's what I'm going to call it. The pattern of the month crochet along. And it's going to come out of this book. Now, I showed this book in a previous video, and I said it was $22.95 because that's what the book said. But if you go on Amazon, and I will put the link in the description box, you can buy this book. I think it was like $14 or $15. Yeah, so once a month, I'll have a project out of this book. It's supposed to be very easy. The patterns are written very well. A lot of them are for beginners, or, you know, like a beginner intermediate. But I am going to be picking one pattern out of this book every single month, and we are going to do it together. Me and you. And once I'm done making the pattern, I'll show it on my channel. And if anybody gets this book and they do the crochet along with me, and you send me a picture of your finished item, I will feature it in a video on my channel. What do you guys think? I love this book. They are really simple patterns. I'm working on one now that's not going to be a part of the monthly crochet along, but I just wanted to start one just to see how easy they were going to be, and how the pattern was written, if it was understandable and all that stuff. So go to Amazon, get your book, and starting in November, I will announce the first pattern, and I'm giving it a couple weeks so that everybody who wants to participate and can afford to participate will be able to have their book in time. Anyway, that is a big announcement. I hope you loved my t-shirt. If I remember, I'll put the link for that in the description box as well. The link for this will be in the description box as well. And yeah, I hope you join along and have fun with me. Anyway, this is going to be a bit of a short video. It's just an announcement video, and we'll see you in the next one. Exhibit peace to everybody, do random acts of kindness, and judge less and understand more, and just be the compassionate force in a world that is not so compassionate right now. And we'll see you in the next video.